Another car directly behind the presidential car. Another Secret Service man, spread eagle over them. We don't know if he has the rifle being.
Fitzgerald Kennedy ဟာ American ပြည်အောင်စုရဲ့35ယောက်မြောက်သမ္မတပါသူဟာမျှော်လင့်ချက်အသစ်တစ်ခုကိုကတိပေးခဲ့တဲ့ငရေချုံမောတဲ့ခေါင်းဆောင်ပါ
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
A modern politician for a modern America.
Let all our neighbors know that we shall join with them to oppose aggression or subversion anywhere in the Americas. And let every other power know that this hemisphere intends to remain the master of its own house.
Within the past week, unmistakable evidence has established the fact that a series of offensive missile sites is now in preparation. The purpose of these bases can be none other than to provide a nuclear strike capability against the Western Hemisphere.
ကျူဘာတုံးကြီးအကြက်တဲဟာ American နဲ့ Soviet Union ကိုအပြန်အလှန်ဖျက်ဆီးမှုရဲ့အဆုံးကိုရောက်စေခဲ့တဲ့မှားယွင်းတွက်ချက်မှုတွေနဲ့အမှားတွေကြောင့်ဖြစ်ပေါ်လာခဲ့တာပါအကြက်တဲရဲ့73ရက်မြောက်နေ့ Khrushchev ကကနေဒီရဲ့ကမ်းလှမ်းချက်ကိုတိတိတတ်တာလက်ခံခဲ့ပါတယ်ကမ္ဘာကြီးဟာနျူကလ িয়ার အဆုံးကနေနောက်ဆုတ်သွားပါတယ်
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone. And one we intend to win.